because you will feel the sweetness and the heart opening and the freedom to be yourself within a group that really respects that.
I think it's important to join the retreat because it's a way to find yourself with other people, where all the feelings are going to be around and safe in a way, and it's a way to show your vulnerability and to approach your vulnerability in a safety place where all the people is going to take care of you.
For me, it's a place or a group of so more a group of people that I can join when there is an event or just for gathering, and I know that there I can be myself. I will find nice people. It will be always funny, tender, simple, and but the most important for me is yes, there I can be myself.